So Don figured out how to vote the shares that we have, the Tesla shares.
Yeah, it was smoother this year. Last year I had some trouble, but this year the emails all worked. The links did what they were supposed to do and stuff.
Yeah, we have stock in 2 different places, and I guess Don figured out how to vote in both places. And
well, Robinhood was really sweet because it took you right there to the page. But here's the key thing: so as soon as you voted for one, it says, "Oh, by the way, you have a vote for some other stock you own, and would you like to do that?" And I literally voted for like 5 different companies, stuff that we have stock in besides Tesla. So that was it was one stop voting on Robinhood. I like that very much.
That was cool. And if you were wondering, which you're probably not, we voted for in support of Elon.
Yeah. Here we just whatever we voted straight ticket. Whatever the board recommended, we voted for. And so we were one of the minions. We're one of the minions.
Retail investors is the kind word.
Yeah, we voted the way the thing said.
Right. Well, all the little people add up. So
yeah.
Yeah. So
look, Elon. He's got his warts just like everybody else. But I think he's looking out for the globe, the stockholders, and especially us little people and people who own Tesla and drive Teslas. I think he's trying to do the right thing.
Yeah, well, we're a little perplexed about the supercharger stuff, and I'll just say that number one, that has nothing to do with this vote. So if you're voting no because of what he did in the last 2 weeks, that sucks.
Well, plus you don't know how it's going to play out.
Right, you don't know. We don't know. There's a lot of speculation. Don and I recorded a clip the other night that I chose not to publish after watching Kyle's first video on it. And I think we're just watching and waiting to see what happens because there's a lot of people out there talking, and anyway, it's a mess. It appears to be somewhat of a mess, but we don't exactly know, and nobody else knows either, and we'll just wait and see how it plays out. But even if I was upset about it, which I'm not sure that I am, it has nothing to do with this vote for stuff that was basically services rendered years ago.
Texas.
Yeah, I can't say that I disagree with that at this point. Although, unintended consequences, you got to be careful. It seems straightforward, leave Delaware, but you got to think it all the way through maybe. But again, that's up to Elon and the board and et cetera, et cetera. So anyway, if you haven't voted and you have stock, you have a vote, you should figure it out.
Check your email if you're Robinhood, and I'm sure all the brokerages did. Even my other old school brokerage guy, he sent me I got the note from Pershing is the company. So I've got that. So it was as simple with them too. Yeah,
like Don said, he tried one time before and it didn't work out, and anyway, since you have a vote, you should, just like everything else, you should probably vote.
Yep.
Good morning, everyone. Hopefully that's going to allow the sun to charge up that battery. Although maybe not today with the cloud cover out here. So, how much rain did we get? I had to clean out the inside of that thing. It's got gunk in it. Looks like 2/10, but there's gunk in it, so... Yeah, that one says 2/10 also. I'm going to take this one's not so dirty. I'm going to take them both inside. Let's clean them. A little bit of gunk in there makes a big difference. Kitties are all here and doing good. Tux actually even ran up the steps first thing instead of me having to redirect him, so that was great. There's more rain on the way, I'm pretty sure. It's sticky out here, but cool still.
Hi, guys.
I got them clean, but I have to say that it wasn't trivial. I had to work it. Piece of paper towel, skewer in there to twist the towel around. Yep. But they're clean now, so we should get them more accurate. It's just for fun, it gives us a little bit of a ability to know what's what. And that one didn't make it. And there is another one here. I mean, I know it'll have more blooms this summer. It's just like, I want blooms now, more. Oh, here's one too. Yeah, so there's 2. But the one The one flower looked like it didn't make it. Oh, I dropped my camera holder. Hi, Panther. Hey there, bud. Hi, how are you? Good boy. Here you go. Good boy. Good boy. I like it that he's dry and safe up here. Good boy. He's getting affectionate in his old age. I've been doing a little bit of this and that in the yard this morning. I trimmed the holly tree straight out the back door so I can still get up the hill without having to get scraped up by branches. Just enough hole for me to get through comfortably. I don't want to unblock the view up the hill, but you know, I got to be able to get through there. So does Don, if I want him to do stuff for me. Good morning, honey. Good morning. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, I got your food. Johnny asked for a mom special, except for it went over the side a little bit. Quick, Johnny, slurp it. Well, it's 11 o'clock and I'm done with chores, and I told Don I wanted to work in the yard this morning instead of go for a walk, and in either case it's raining more than we would want to be out in it. I don't know how long it's gonna last. It doesn't matter. But at least I got through my morning chores before it started raining, right? Sounds pretty. Sype says, Mom, I really like this nice soft towel you put here on my bins. He came up at my feet for a while on the footrest, and then he likes it out here. Quiet, dark until I turn the light on. It's raining really hard again. We're going to go outside. I think it's going to be done in 10 or 15 minutes. I just want to pull some weeds while the ground's soft and spend a few minutes moving around. It doesn't have to be forever. It's 12:40 and I'm going to make lasagna, so I don't want to, you know, I want to stay out there for forever, but a little bit. I kind of like rainy days. Me and my dad, we like, Trenton was gray and gray clay, gray sky, and drizzly. You know, not like Seattle, but was often raining. We enjoyed it. We'd walk in it. Good times. Yeah, this is the most rain we've had all day. Marty and Tux are up top and dry. Well, it's past and it's let up enough. It's just barely raining now that I wouldn't mind being out here, but now there's another large cell that formed right where the last one formed that's headed our way. So I don't know. Hey, Donnie. Oh, he's upstairs. Don's pretty happy doing garage straightening. Well, happy might not be the right word, but he's into it now, so best probably to let him do that. And I really think it's going to rain again very shortly, so hi. Hello. So why try to come out here for 30 minutes only to have to stop? Hi. No, no, no. That was just a storage container in my hand. Hi. Hi. Good boy, Morris. Good boy. You staying dry enough? Okay. Yeah. Your buddy's in the house sleeping. I'm sorry that he's deserted you. Yes, Tux, I love you too. I got orange hair on me though. Are you sure you want me to touch your black fur with orange hair? Yeah, Morris might be hungry. You can come up on the other side. Tux won't stop you over there. Marty's a buffer. If I put it back down low, would it just get wet like the stuff over there got wet? It's all wet. I'll make sure they eat before end of day. Still early. Try to get the hair off my hand. I'm going to put together this Junior's ice cream truck set 10727. The main thing that makes it a Junior is the base of the truck is just this one big printed piece instead of a bunch of smaller pieces. But the rest of it is, you know, normal stuff. I was able to reconstruct this no problem. I had all the important pieces. I added some. I found the couple that I needed. The only thing missing is the little tiny cash register, and I have some of those somewhere, and I may find the one for this one yet, so we're just going to assume I'm going to find that one way or the other. I had good success at putting this back together. A bunch of it was already together. Her pants are the wrong color, but they look totally fine. And I'm missing the two other airplane support wheel things, but I got the wheels. And other than that, it's all there. So finding those two wheel things or ordering them for it is not a big deal. I wish it was here and easy, but you know, such is the challenge of rebuilding these sets. I've got lasagna in the oven. It's a little after 6. It's still raining out there. Like, it stops for an hour and then it pours and then it, you know, drizzles and then it stops again and almost looks done and then it starts over. So I should go look and see how much we've gotten. Hi, Morris has decided the bed is his, and if anybody else wants it, they'll have to actually take it. Strike's currently in the cat hotel. He got kicked out of the house because he wouldn't stop chewing on Lego bricks. 6/10. Pretty good bit. And just for a sanity check, that says more like 7/10. Don says this one with the 1-inch square is more accurate, but anyway, we've had a good bit. And I cleaned the water bowls this morning. I all had fresh water. I put my hand in, I scrubbed them out, and the tannin and the tree bits and debris, they just turned the water that brown color pretty quick. Hi guys, it's okay, Morris. Hi. Ah, there's Tux. I'll move it to the other side over here. Tuxie! Hi!
So that's what we're having for supper. This is Marianne's lasagna. It's keto. She makes it with, there's no pasta in it. It's other stuff, but it's really yummy. I like it a lot. This is how you assemble a masterpiece. Man, look at that. Great job, Johnny.